To reinstall DirectX 12 on Windows 11, you can manually download and install the standalone installer from Microsoft's official website, which can help resolve any issues you may be experiencing. Windows 11 automatically updates DirectX, but a manual reinstall can be beneficial in certain situations. To do this, simply search for DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer using your preferred search engine, and then visit the Microsoft website. Select your preferred language, click Download, and then open the downloaded file. The Microsoft DirectX installer will appear, and you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Then proceed to the next step. You will also be given the option to install Bing, which you can choose to enable or disable. Once you've made your selection, click Next, and the installation will begin. If you already have the latest version of DirectX installed, the installer will notify you that a newer or equivalent version is already installed, and there will be no need to reinstall. However, if you're experiencing issues, the installer will reinstall DirectX 12, providing you with the freshest version.